Summertime is barbecue time, and we all love it. But we also need some side dish. I want to show you 3 easy to make pasta salads. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. Pasta salad is not just a salad or a side dish, you can serve it also as a main dish. The best pasta forms for pasta salad are spirelli, elbow macaroni and farfalle. Let's do it! First things first, we put a pot with 3 liters water and a handful salt on the stove and bring it to a boil. During the time the water needs to come to boil, we prep the salad's ingredients. Dice a medium-sized red onion. To do so, cut it in half, but don't cut the root stem off. Then lay the half onion on the flat side and put your palm on it, spread your fingers upwards. Make 3 to 4 horizontal cuts, now make several vertical cuts as well. Turn the onion and dice it. Add the onion in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it. Dice sweet pepper as well, or bell pepper if you don't find the sweet ones. Different colors make the salad more beautiful. Dice 2-3 pickled cucumbers. Cut 200 grams cooked ham in small pieces. Add 100 grams green peas, the frozen ones are the best for it, don't use the canned ones. To make the dressing, add 1 teaspoon mustard, 150 grams mayonnaise, 200 grams Greek yogurt, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon vinegar in a bowl and mix it uniform. Add the dressing to the other ingredients and mix them. Cook the pasta al dente and drain it, but don't rinse it with water, we want them dry. Let it cool down for at least 10 minutes in the room temperature, then add them to the mixture. A pro tip, prepare the salad a day before serving and let it in the fridge for 24 hours before the serving day. You will not regret it. For the second version, we roast 140 grams pine nuts. Keep an eye on them, they tend to burn fast. Toss them around several times and then take them out of the pan. Crush a clove of garlic in a mortar with a pinch of salt until it's mashed. Add fresh basil and keep mashing. Then add the roasted pine nuts to it and olive oil and keep crushing and pounding until it makes a paste like this. Now we add some freshly grated parmesan to it and mix it uniform. If you don't have a mortar and a pestle, a food processor will do as well. Cut 200 grams cherry tomato and 125 grams mozzarella. It will be more beautiful if you have small ones. If not, cut the big ones small. Season them with salt and pepper. Cook 200 grams pasta al dente, drain them without rinsing and let it cool down for at least 10 minutes in room temperature. Then add the pasta to the tomato cheese mixture in a bowl and add the basil pesto and some olive oil to it and mix it well. The same as other salad, you can make it and keep it in the fridge for 24 hours before the serving day. For the third salad we dice an onion, 30 grams green olives and 30 grams black ones and put them in a bowl. Then slice 30 grams dried tomato and cut 7 to 8 caper berries in quarters. Grind some oregano freshly. Mash a garlic clove by splitting it and crush it with the back side of the knife. Then use the flat side of the blade to get a paste-like texture. Add the garlic puree to the rest of the cut ingredients. Cut a lemon and zest the skin into a bowl and half of the juice. Add salt, freshly ground pepper, the oregano and olive oil to it, then mix it well. Bring 3 liters water with a handful of salt to the boil and cook the pasta al dente. Drain it but don't rinse it, cool it down in the room temperature. When the pasta is cold, add it to the rest and mix it well and let it stay for 12 to 24 hours in the fridge. 3 pasta salads. The creamy one. It is rich in taste and the bell pepper gives this creamy salad crispiness. The dressing and the ham go so well together. I like it. The herbal one. The green and the red color makes it really eye-catching. The toasted pine nuts add such amazing nutty flavor to the basil pesto. A true Italian classic. And the Mediterranean one. Next time I would skip the lime juice. The zest and the fermented olive and capers add enough flavor to it. Also, this one is very delicious if you are a fan of salty sour taste. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.